like my keyboard?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
What do you like about it?
It looks good.
You want to see how I made it?
No.
Why not, huh?
You're coming with me, buddy.
Hey, you're gonna watch this video now, okay? What else are you gonna do? You're gonna ask all of them to subscribe. Is that right? Alright, let's go.
Everyone watching this,
Happy.
everyone watching this, please subscribe so you can save it.
Alright. Go. A 40% gasket mounted keyboard that I call. This is the third board I designed. A 40% gasket mounted keyboard that I call the 231. God damn it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is this the third? Well, I'll tell you. The first board I designed was the Angle 69, a board that was meant to shake the world of mechanical keyboards, and also $1,000 to manufacture. Alright, that's okay. I went back to the drawing board, where I made the Hobby 65, the most personal keyboard I've ever designed, with a top weight that had everything I loved in the world on it, a gummy O-ring mount, and my name set into the bottom right corner. It was my masterpiece. Until I started hating. Okay, fine. I went back to the drawing board a third time, where I made this, my magnum opus, the 231. Everything I wanted in one keyboard. A simple, original 40% design that I've never tried anything similar to before. A keyboard with no screws, my own camera design, and a pencil holder, all made from alu and polycarbonate. Now that's a keyboard I wanted to make. Eddie. How are you doing? Now that you've seen all that, I bet you're thinking to yourself, that's gotta be expensive, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know how you could afford it?
No, I don't want to know.
Shut up, it's okay. It's all right. You're not ready yet. I'll tell you anyway. Come here. PCBWay, the best one-stop shop to manufacture anything and everything your keyboard project or normal project needs. You've heard of them 100 times, but I'll say it again. PCBWay is an online fabrication service that allows you to print out PCBs, 3D print parts that you need, or even do CNC machining like they did for me, and all for a relatively low price. If any of you want to design and make your own one-of-one custom keyboards, or even prototype and finalize your projects, you could use PCBWay for that. With a blazingly fast 24-hour turnaround time and unbelievably fair prices for your projects, as well as the ability to gain coupons just for making your account, PCBWay is really one of the best PCB and parts manufacturing services out there. I think this flies under most people's radars because I don't really see it mentioned, but the genuine ease of use of their parts configurator is second to none. I can't explain how useful it is to have instant quotes for your parts and hundreds of customizable options at your fingertips. They also offer a pretty cool new service that I'd like to try out someday, their OEM service, where they will make and even assemble your entire project for you. Yes, this means you can contract PCBWay as your own manufacturer. So please check them out. They helped me fund this project so that I could make this video, and hopefully soon in the future I'll be able to make the Angle 69 a reality with them. You hear that, Eddie? What do we say to PCBWay?
Thank you so much, PCBWay.
Great job. Even though we're funded by PCBWay now, I still don't really know how to make a PCB, Eddie. So, what I'm gonna do is hand wire this keyboard. You watch this video while I finish this up. Hi, my name's Amir. And if you're watching this, that means you probably don't know what hand wiring is. Hand wiring. Basically, hand wiring is the process of connecting switches to each other and then to a microcontroller individually, rather than using a printed circuit board to do all the work for you. Hand wiring. This allows for more flexible designs, like the Dactyl or the Pen 15. Hand wiring. For this build, I'm using the Canon Keys Anubis switches for their massive tactile bump. Hand wiring. And if you look down now, you'll see me, Amir, using my last two brain cells trying to connect wires to each other while huffing copious amounts of lead. Oh, you're done. Alright, so, look at this. Diode, bend. Black side facing down. Solder. Repeat for the entire row. More wire. Solder one pin to the pin directly under it, and you're done. Time to assemble everything together. First things first, we're gonna add the gaskets. Hey, wake up. Tell me, what do you think these holes here are for?
I don't know.
Come on, try.
I don't know.
Well, they're for magnets. So that way we don't have screws in the top and bottom case. So, we're gonna put a couple magnets here, 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 and here. Finally, my board, it's almost finished. It's almost time. All I have to do is flash the software now.
Let's go.
What? What?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Now?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, do your thing. I'll be back in 15 minutes. As I was saying, it's finally time to flash the software. Okay, software flashed.
Fortnite 4.